Alright people, one. So remember me telling in the previous video that I'm going to show you my new vehicle. So we got a Honda CRV. Honda I love Honda CRV. I just love Hondas in general. So let's go take a look. I'm still at work, but outside kind of cloudy still. Light here is like not as good. So we're gonna take a look at our Honda CRV. I got a quiz right here. Let's go take a look. Yeah, sorry about the lighting. Yep, that's where I work at a Caribbean restaurant. Yeah, it's small. Okay, people, I'm just gonna turn the camera around to for you. So that's my baby. That's my new baby. Yeah, that's my new baby, people. My Honda CRV. Let's take a look inside. You like the rims? They're they're better than basic, I'll say. Let's open it up and look inside. Let's look inside. So inside we got a steering wheel cover. Oh, and when you open the door, it comes up there. Comes up saying Honda. No, actually say H means Honda. And it has an ecosystem, so it like saves energy and do all of that. And there's the back. My son's seat is back there. The back. And let me sit and chat with you people. So we have the regular. Let me turn it on so you guys can see. So we have the regular mode. Yeah, I was listening to some radio. We just have a regular. We're gonna get a GPS put in right here, like remove all of it and put a GPS right there. But we have, you control your up and down. You have to turn up your volume, turn on your volume, and then the speed there is nice, right? And you have your Bluetooth answer your calls and all of those things, and you can adjust. The cool thing about this is because when me and my husband is driving, it's like him want it too hot, me want it too cold, or me want it too hot, him want it too cold. So this button, it says sync. It's sync for both passengers, like at the front, like the front passenger and the driver's side. But if you take off the sync button, well, that does turn it off. If you take off the sync button, I can only adjust my side, right, to the heat or whatever I want. Right, I just regular drive, park, reverse, neutral, drive, 2 and 1. Also, what we upgrade to, we got a seat warmer for these cold winter here in Calgary, Alberta. So we have to get seat warmer, people, cause it's too cold, man. You gotta warm up that tush tush. Not only that, yeah, and just the regular. And we have a speaker right over there, if you can see. I don't know if you can see it because the lighting. I have a speaker right over there, right? And I just love the interior, people. May I say it again? I don't know why me on. I have a look at Jamaican boxing gloves. So sorry, me keep on a sniff up my nose because me have cold. It's just coming on. Me have my local boxing glove. On the old car that we had a license plate on the front, but it was a Jamaican flag. With this one, we have to go get it custom built because this one don't have like a thing for the front. You just put on the license plate. There's none, so we have to get that custom built. Anywho, guess what else we have? We got I'll turn on the camera now so you guys can see what's going on up here. We got a sunroof. Can't chat to waste on referee. Yeah, so me all the time I can put my hand through it. We got a sunroof. I keep on saying I got a like a man car alone. No, we got a sunroof, and I am loving it. For the coming on to summer now, so definitely using it more. So people, this is my new vehicle, 100 CRV, and yeah, we're enjoying it. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you right here. Hold on, turn around again. Crap, stupid camera. So we have, don't mind the floor. We're just coming out of the winter, so the mud and stuff. But we put a towel underneath it, so if the water leak, it don't leak on the carpet underneath. You know what I mean? Gotta preserve it. You know, we Jamaicans, we take care of thing them proper. We take care of our stuff, people. Anyway, we have a cup holder here. What's so cool about this cup holder is we always having problem with weak cup holder, because when you put it in, it don't stay steady. You know what I mean? It doesn't move all over the place. So with this cup holder, you put it in your cup or your bottle or whichever liquid beverage or what you have. You put it in, and these things right here that you see going in, as you put it in, it just keep it still. You know what I'm saying? If you have hot coffee or hot tea, it not gonna spill. If you know what I mean. And right here we just have the base. Well, it's not a basic. This is a plus that I like. I store my purse in there sometimes. But all of a sudden, from the other day, my husband just has store random things in there. Let's take a look what's in there. Okay, this is all him. We have some cookie. I don't know what kind of cookie, but some kind of cookie. We don't know what was this for, so we just kind of assume say it's a coin thing. So we just put coins in there, just in case we want $1 or something for a cart or to pump the tire. We do that, and we have I don't know if you can see down there, a USB port. We have one more power outlet down there, and that's basically it. We just plug in things down there. You know what I mean? Yeah, and yeah, that's it. And it comes with a lot more. Hold on, me keep on that. I forgot to edit out that. Yeah, it comes with a lot more things, a few more things, but these are just the things for now. And the lights are just if you can see that's just regular light, but we're planning on changing it over to LED, which we'll be getting a deal to do that. But I love this vehicle. Oh, one more thing. Look at this. Keep your eyes on the screen, people. Box cover. We have backup camera, people. We have a backup camera for the vehicle. The vehicle that we had before, we didn't have a backup camera. We had a backup sensor. So if you're getting close to a vehicle or close to something, it would be like beep, 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 beep. You know what I mean? But this is a backup flipping camera, which I think looking behind you is the safest way to go. But it does come in handy the same way, because sometimes you want to line up it in the parking space and you can't see the yellow line which part it there. So with this, it's so helpful, and yes, I parked properly. Yes, so people, this is my under. Let me turn it off back. Let me turn it off. I can't turn on the camera, guys. You know what I mean, sir. Let me close this. Let me close the sunroof, Ray. I'm gonna close the sunroof. Alright. So people, yes, thank you for watching. And this is my new CRV. So this is one of the things that we have been going through to figure out what type of vehicle we want. So that's the reason I haven't really seen me on here. But yeah, we're getting a vehicle, so this is one stress off our mind right now. But yeah, continue watching, and you'll see more videos from me to come, even if a random video. Just stay with me, you know what I mean? Keep calm. You know what I think, keep calm and just continue watching. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, please do, somewhere over here. Please do subscribe. So Shana, the other girl, I'm out until I see you guys again, until I make another video again. Also, you can check me out on Instagram Or which was it? I don't know. Or I'm on Google Plus also because I post a lot of pictures and stuff on there. So just check me out, Instagram or wherever, or Snapchat. I'm on Snapchat, so just check me out, people. Right? I may not put up a video, but I'll probably put something on my Instagram or on my Snapchat. So just check me out. Okay, Shannon the other girl out. I don't want to make any another long video, but I'm out. Later, people.